Now I just point them to this. Okay, so let's talk again about expanding the ecosystem. So when we built Cesium for Unreal Engine, we designed it such that all of the core data structures and algorithms and all of the heavy engineering lifting to do that 3D tile streaming, so that as you're flying through that world, it's incrementally loading the right data. We put that in a separate open source library called Cesium Native. And what that did is it allowed us to now quickly go do additional integrations. We did an integration with Unity, and then we also did one with Nvidia Omniverse. I think we probably all know of Nvidia for their GPUs. They also have a software platform called Omniverse for industrial digitization, and it has a lot of connectors based on USD, as well as stunning visuals like you see here. So this is the RTX GPU accelerated path tracer. It simulates sending millions of rays through the scene to get these really photorealistic images.